Hi all, today we will discuss one of the most important subtopics from number system, that is divisibility rules. Divisibility rules is an extremely important concept. A lot of previous year questions came out of divisibility rules. We will discuss each and every model, each and every concept, each and every shortcut trick in these sessions. We will try to cover close to 40 to 50 problems covering all the possible concepts related to divisibility rule. Through problems, we will understand the concepts. Straight away, we will get into the problems. See the first problem. How many 3-digit numbers? How many 3-digit numbers? 3-digit numbers he is asking. First, we will list all the numbers. 3-digit numbers. What is the lowest 3-digit number? 100, 101, 102. And so on up to what is the largest 3-digit number? 999. So in these 3-digit number, which is from 100 to 999, what do we require? Which are divisible by 5 or 9. We require the 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 5 or 9. Let me use the concept of Venn diagram to solve this question. Venn diagram to solve this question. What do we require? 5 or 9. 5 or 9 means R is nothing but union and is nothing but intersection. And is nothing but intersection. What do we require? R condition we require. That means n of 5 or 9. 5 or 9 require. It is nothing but number of 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 5 plus number of 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 9 minus numbers which are divisible by 5 and 9. The numbers which are divisible by 5 and 9 is 45. Total, how many 3-digit numbers are there which are divisible by 5? Right here. How many 3-digit numbers are there which are divisible by 9? Write it here. Subtract the numbers which are divisible by both 5 and 9. 5 and 9, the numbers which are divisible by 5 and 9 is 45. So how do we do it? What we'll do is, we will use Venn diagrams. This is the circle which represents the number of 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 5. This circle represents the numbers which are divisible by 9. This is the circle which are the 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 5 and 9. 5 and 9. Very slowly we will do it. Number of numbers which are divisible by 5. 100, first 3-digit number, 520s are. Next it is 105, 521s are. And so on up to 995, 5 19s are 95, 5 9s are. 520s are to 5199. If you are counting these numbers, what is the lowest multiple of 5? Which is 520. What is the largest multiple of 5 in this 3-digit number? 199. Number of numbers is highest multiple of 5 minus lowest multiple of 5 plus 1. So it is 199 minus 20 plus 1. 179 plus 1. 180. Total number of 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 5 is 180. I hope the idea it is clear. How many numbers are divisible by 5? 9 12s are 108. 9 12s are 108. And so on up to 999. 9 111s are 999. Highest value minus lowest value plus 1. 112 minus 12, which is 100. Which is 100. This is how you solve this question. I will tell you a better technique. Right after we complete the traditional way of solving. Number of numbers which are multiples of 5. 45 2s are 90. 45 3s are 135. 45 3s are 135. 45 22s are 990. 22 minus 3, 19 plus 1, 19 plus 1, 20. That means this is 20. Are you all with me? Out of 180 it is, so total answer will be n of 5 it is 180, n of 9 it is 100 minus number of multiples of 5 and 9 it is 20. 280 minus 20. Answer for this question is 260. Answer for this question is 260. This is how you will solve the question like this. I will tell you a better method to solve the question where you can eliminate these steps and you can also eliminate these steps. Let me take a slide. Now see here. Number of 3-digit number. Anil Nair's way on how to solve this kind of questions. Anil Nair's way. Listen carefully, sir. Single step you will get. Anil Nair's way. First I will solve this problem, then I will discuss 2 or 3 questions so that you will understand it. Number of 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 5 or 9. It is n of 5 plus n of 9 minus n of 5 and 9 which is 45. This is what we require. Now how many 3-digit numbers are there? 100 to 999. Totally how many 3-digit numbers are there? Highest value minus lowest value plus 1. 999 minus 100. 899 plus 1. It is 900. Totally how many 3-digit numbers are there? 900. Out of 900 numbers, for every 5 consecutive numbers, you take any 5 consecutive, one number will be divisible by 5. 100, 101, 102, 103, 104. 100 is divisible. You take any 5 consecutive, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127. Out of these 5 numbers, one number it is divisible by 5. 900 by 5, it is 180. Directly you got answer 180. How many are divisible by 9? Out of total 900 numbers, for every 9 consecutive numbers, one number it is divisible. 900 by 9, it is 100. 900 by 9, it is 100. How many are divisible by 5 and 45? You take 45 consecutive numbers, one number will be divisible by 5. One number will be divisible by 5, which is 20. 900 by 45, 20. 100 plus 180, 280, minus 20, 260. How beautifully we can solve this kind of question. I hope the idea it is clear. For every 900, total 3-digit numbers are write 900. For every 5 consecutive numbers, one number it is divisible. So 900 by 5 is 180. For every 900 numbers, out of every 9 numbers, one number will be divisible. For every 900 numbers, for every 45 numbers, one number will be divisible. I hope the idea it is very much clear, right? You can save a lot of time. Now see here. Let me take a question. How many natural numbers? How many natural numbers less than or equivalent to 360? How many natural numbers less than or equivalent to 360 are divisible by? Once you understand the left hand side process, you can solve a lot of questions like this. How many natural numbers less than or equivalent to 360 are divisible by? First one, 2, 3 and 5. How many natural numbers less than or equivalent to 360 are divisible by? 2, 3 and 5. Next is 2, 3 but not 5. 2, 3 but not 5. 4 questions we will solve. Next one, 2 but not 3 and 5. 2 but not 3 and 5. D. Not divisible by, not by 2, 3 and 5. Not by 2, 3 and 5. No need of Venn diagram. Here 2 numbers are there. So 2 sets Venn diagram we did it. Here 3 numbers are there. Then 3 set Venn diagram we require, which is a very complicated process. Now how to eliminate it? How many natural numbers less than or equivalent to 360? If I write all 360 natural numbers from 1 to 360, for every 2 consecutive, one number will be divisible. For every 3 consecutive, one number will be divisible. For every 5 consecutive, one number will be divisible. You take any 3 consecutive numbers, 6, 7, 8, one number is divisible. You take 100, 101, 102, 102 is divisible. You take for every 2 consecutive, one number will be divisible. For every 3 consecutive, one number will be divisible. For every 5 consecutive, one number will be divisible. 6 5s are 30, 30 12s are 360. Answer for this question is 12. Idea clear? Very, very interesting logic. For every 360 consecutive numbers, for every 2 numbers, one number divisible. For every 3 numbers, one number divisible. For every 5 numbers, one number divisible. But the statement is but not by. For every 5, one divisible. How many are not divisible? 4. I hope it is clear why 4 by 5 we got. For every 5 consecutive numbers, one number it is divisible. How many are not divisible? Out of 5, one divisible. Not divisible, it is 4. For 360 numbers, for every 2 numbers, one number it is divisible. For every 3 numbers, 1 is divisible, 2 are not divisible. For every 5 numbers, one number it is divisible, 4 are not divisible. 6 5s are 30, 30 12s are 360, 12 8s are 96, 12 8s are 96. For every 360 consecutive numbers, for every 2 numbers, one number not divisible. For every 3 numbers, 2 numbers are not divisible. For every 5 numbers, 4 numbers are not divisible. 6 5s are 30, 30 12s are 360, 12 8s are 96, 12 8s are 96. 12 8s are 96. I hope this approach is very much clear to you. For every 360 numbers, for every 2 numbers, one number it is divisible. 1 out of 3 numbers, one number it is divisible. For every 5 numbers, one number divisible, but not by 5. For every 5 numbers, one number divisible, but not means out of 5, 1 is divisible. How many are not divisible? 1 minus 1 by 5, which is 4 by 5. This is how you should solve this kind of problems without even using Venn diagram. First question, I hope you got a very good idea of how to solve the question. Second question, there is a number 8A5146B. 8A5146B. This number is divisible by 88. 88, it is a composite number. It can be written as a product of coprimes 8 into 11. That means these numbers should be divisible by 8, and these numbers should also be divisible by 11. 8A5146B. This number is given. So there are 2 numerical values which are missing. Right? We have to find out the 2 numerical values, and the answer should be divisible by 8 and 11. What is the divisibility rule of 8? Last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. 46B should be divisible by 8. 46B should be divisible by 8. For this number to be divisible by 8, first it should be divisible by 4. 4, what are the cases? Last 2 digits should be divisible. 460, 464, 468. 8 5s are 40, 68. It is not divisible by 8. 8 5s are 40. It is not divisible. So, answer we got B value as 4. Answer we got B value as 4. So, this is 4. This is 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. 13 plus 8, 21. I am using the divisibility rule of 11. What is the divisibility rule of 11? Sum of odd places minus sum of even places. What are sum of odd places? 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 5, 17. 8 plus 4, sorry, B is 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. Minus of sum of even places. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus A. It should be divisible by 4. it should be divisible by, 11. It should be divisible by 11. That means A value it is 3. Why it is 3? 21 minus 7, 14 minus A. It should be divisible by 11. That means A value 3. A value 3, B value 4. So answer for this question is 3 4s are 12. Answer for this question is 3 4s are 12. The number is divisible by 88. If it is divisible by 88, that means it should be divisible by 8 and 11. Yes or no? This should be divisible by 8 and 11. 8 means last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. 4, 6b, it should be divisible by 8. For it to be divisible by 8, last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. So 60, 64, 68. But this is not divisible by 8. This is not divisible by 8. So answer is 464. B value it is 4. Once B value it is 4, substitute it. What is the divisibility rule of 11? Sum of odd places minus sum of even places should be divisible. Sum of odd places. 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 8, 21, minus of 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus A. 21 minus of 7 plus A, it should be divisible by 11. 21 minus 7, 14, 14 minus A, divisible by 11. A value should be 3. A is 3, B is 4. 3 4s are 12. So answer for this question is 3 4. What is the number of even factors for 36,000. What exactly it is 36,000? 36,000 as a product of prime factors is 36 into 10 cube. 36 can be written as 2 square into 3 square. 10 cube it is 2 cube into 5 cube. So it is 2 power 5 into 3 square into 5 cube. It is 2 power 5 into 3 square into 5 cube. What do we require? Number of even factors. What exactly we mean by even factors? Factors which are divisible by 2. Any number which is divisible by 2 is written as 2 into 2 power 4 into 3 square into 5 cube. Any number which is divisible by 2 is 2 into something. So these are the numbers which are even factors for these number. So how many even factors are there? 0 to 4, 5, 0 to 2, 3, 0 to 3, 4. 5 3s are 15, 15 4s are 60. How many even factors are there for this number? What will be the answer? 60. What exactly we mean by even factor? Factors which are even numbers. What is the form of an even number? It is divisible by 2. So any number which is divisible by 2 is of the form 2k. So 2 into 2 power 5, 1 2 is taken out. It is 2 power 4 into 3 square into 5 cube. These are the numbers which are multiplied by 2. Therefore, this becomes an even factor for this number. 0 to 4, 5, 0 to 2, 3, 0 to 3, 4. 5 3s are 15, 15 4s are 60. Answer for this question is 60. I hope the idea it is very much clear. Factors is an very important concept. Please read the fourth question. The number A39K2. The number A39K2. This is completely divisible by both 8 and 11. The number is perfectly divisible by both 8 and 11. First start with 8. 8 means last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. The divisibility rule of 8 is last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. To check whether a number is divisible by 8 or not, first start with 4. 4 means last 2 digits should be divisible. 2 digits should be divisible means it will become 932, 952, 972 and 992. A39K2. Last 3 digits should be divisible by, right? How much? 8. So now check with 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8, 52. Not possible. 8 ones are 8, 15. 8 ones are 8. 8 nines are 72. 8 12s are 96, it is not divisible. 8 12s are 96, 32, it is divisible. That means K is taking two cases, A3952, this first case. Next one, A3992, it is second case. It is second case. Now what is the what is the possible value of, we require K, we require A plus K. Divisibility rule for 11. 11 means sum of the odd places. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus A minus of 3 plus 5. That means it is 3, 11 minus 8, 3. 3 plus A. That means A possible value is 8. A possible value is 8. It is 8, it is 5. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 is not there in the answer. Another case, 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus A. 11 plus A, sum of the odd places minus sum of the even places. It is A minus 1. A minus 1. That means A can be 1. If A is 1, A is 1 and K is 9. What is 1 plus 9? 10. Answer for this question is 10. Answer for this question is 10. A39K2. Right? So there are, what is the divisibility rule of 8? Last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. 9K2 should be divisible by 8. K will be either 5 or K will be 9. So from there we got K value as either 5 or 9. What is the divisibility rule of 11? Sum of odd places minus sum of even places. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus A minus of 3 plus 5. 11 plus A minus 8. It is 3 plus A. 3 plus A should be divisible by 11. A value 8. Or A3992, but A8, K5, 8 plus 5, 13 is not there in the answer. So I move to the next case, A3992, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus A minus 12, A minus 1 is 0, A1, A1, K9, so A plus K will be 1 plus 9, 10. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. This is the kind of questions which are coming regularly in your exam. A number 4 power 16 plus 1 is divisible by x. It is divisible by x. Which among the following is also divisible by x? So answer, these it is n. This should be divisible by 4 power 16 plus 1. That means remainder should be 0. That means n should be a multiple of 4 power 16 plus 1. N should be a multiple of 4 power 16 plus 1, or 4 power 16 plus 1 should be a factor of n. The meaning remains the same. Answer options should be divisible by 4 power 16 plus 1. D, if you see, it is 4 power 16 whole cube plus 1 whole cube. A cube plus B cube. A cube plus B cube. It is always divisible by A plus B if n is odd. A cube plus B cube. It is always divisible by A plus B if n is odd. That means 4 power 48 plus 1. 4 power 48 can be written as 4 power 16 whole cube plus 1 cube. A cube plus B cube, it is always divisible by A plus B. So answer for this question is, it is divisible by 4 power 16 plus 1. 4 power 16 plus 1. This is 4 power 16 whole square plus 1 square. A square plus B square, it is not divisible by A plus B. 48 plus 1, it is not divisible by 4 power 16 plus 1. This is 4 power 16 power 6 plus 1 power 6. A power n plus B power n. It is only divisible by A plus B if n is odd. So answer for this question is 4 power 48 plus 1. 4 power 48 plus 1. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one. How many 3-digit positive integers? How many 3-digit positive integers with digits A, B and C? A, B and C exists such that A less than B. A should be less than B and B should be greater than C. A should be less than B and B should be greater than C. Now, what is the condition? A is in hundreds place, B is in tens place and C is in units place. Very, very good question, sir. Now see, how many 3-digit numbers? How many 3-digit numbers? How many 3-digit numbers exist? How many 3-digit numbers A, B, C exist such that all the cases we will see. All the cases we will see A less than B less than C. A greater than B greater than C. A less than B greater than C. A greater than B less than C. A greater than B less than C. These are the cases. How many 3-digit numbers A, B, C exist such that A less than B less than C, A greater than B greater than C, A less than B greater than C, A greater than B less than C. How many 3-digit numbers exist such that the digits are in ascending order? Out of any 10 numbers, digits are from 0 to 9. Digits are from 0 to 9. Out of any digits, 0 to 9, how many digits? 10 digits. Select any 3 digits. You will find 3 numbers in ascending order. 10C3. You select any 3 numbers, right, out of 10 numbers, definitely they will be in ascending order. Suppose see here, you take any 3 numbers, 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5, they are in ascending order. 5, 4, 1, they are also in descending order. So, if I want the numbers should be in decreasing order, it is 10C3. Here, A less than C, it is 10C3. What is 10C3? Now, if you see here, 10C3 is 10 factorial by 10 minus 3, 7 factorial into 3 factorial. It is 10 into 9 into 8 divided by 6. 720 by 10. 720 by 10 is 120. 720 by 6 is 120. 720 by 6 is 120. Now, this is also same thing 120. This can also be written like this, sir. If you see here, another way, out of 10 numbers, pick any 3 numbers. That 3 numbers can arrange among themselves in 3 factorial. Only one case will be there where the numbers are in ascending order. Where the numbers are in ascending order. 10C3 is 120. Out of any 10 numbers, take any 3 numbers. The 3 numbers can be arranged in 3 factorial. Only one case will be there where the numbers are in descending order. A less than B greater than C. Out of any 10 numbers, pick any 3 numbers. These 3 numbers can be arranged among themselves in 3 factorial. 2 numbers will be there where this condition is satisfied. How I will show an example. Similarly, out of 10 numbers, take any 3 numbers. 3 numbers can be arranged in 3 factorial. 2 numbers will be there where this condition is possible. Example. If I take 3 numbers 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. 3 numbers can be arranged in 3 factorial, total 6 cases. Am I right? See how many cases the numbers are in ascending order. 1, 2, 3. Only one number. That is the reason it is 1 out of 6. Are you all with me? How many numbers are in descending order? Descending order means value decreasing. 3, 2, 1. Descending order. Are you all with me? Right? 1 by 6. A less than B greater than C. A less than B, B greater than C. A less than B, B greater than C. How many cases are there? Out of 6, 2 cases. Are you all with me? Out of 6, 2 cases. Out of, similarly, A greater than B less than C. 2 greater than 1, 1 less than 3. 3 greater than 1, 1 less than 2. Are you all with me? Without even doing any calculation, you will get the answer simply like this. Out of how many digits are there? From 0 to 9, 10 digits are there. Out of 10 digits, out of 10 digits, take any 3 digits, 10p3. These 3 digits can be arranged among themselves in 3 factorial. One case will be where the number digits are in ascending order. Out of 10 numbers, take any 3 numbers. These 3 numbers can be arranged in 3 factorial. One case will be there where they are in descending order. So 2 cases out of 6 cases it is possible. 2 cases out of 6 cases it is possible. Are you all with me? This is one way to look at this problem. Another way to look at this problem, coming back to our third question. What is there? A less than B, B greater than C. A less than B, B greater than C. Suppose if I fix B value 9, B value 9, B is greater than C. That means C can take any value from 0 to 8. 9 is greater than 0. 9 is greater than 1. 9 is greater than 2. 9 is right greater than 8. A is less than B. A is less than B. A less than B greater than C. So it is A should be less than B. That means 8 is less than 1. 7 is less than 1 and so on up to 1 and so on up to 1. Are you all with me? Here 1 to 8, 8 cases. 0 to 8, 9 cases. 8 into 9. If it is 8, 8 is greater than C. That means C can take any value from 0 to 7. Are you all with me? A is less than B. These A value should be less than B. That means this can take from 1 to 7. 1 to 7, 7 cases. It is 7 into 8. Did you observe the pattern? 8 into 9 plus 7 into 8 and so on up to 2 into 1. 2 into 1. 8 into 9 plus 7 into 8 and so on up to 2 into 1. If you calculate it also, 3-digit numbers are divisible by 5. Totally, what is the smallest 3-digit number? 100. What is the largest 3-digit number? 999. Total how many numbers are there? Highest value minus lowest value plus 1. Total 900 numbers are there. In 900 numbers, for every 5 numbers, 1 number it is divisible. So 900 by 5 is 180. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 5? Answer for this question is 180. Answer for this question is 180. Lowest 3-digit number 100. Highest 3-digit number 999. Number of 3-digit numbers, highest minus lowest plus 1. 999 minus 100 plus 1. Total 900 numbers are there. In that 900 numbers, for every 5 numbers, 1 number divisible. 900 by 5 is 180. 900 by 5 is 180. Now see here. How many numbers are there? From 500 to 650. 500 to 650. Method 1 and method 2. Method 1 and method 2. Method 2 is very easy method. Totally from 500 to 650. From 500 to 650. How many numbers are there? Highest value minus lowest value. 650 minus 500 plus 1. Totally 151 numbers are there. Totally 151 numbers are there. In that 151 numbers, how many are neither divisible by 3? Out of 3 numbers, 1 number is divisible. How many are not divisible? 2. How many are not divisible by 7? For every 7 numbers, 1 number will be divisible. How many are not divisible? 6. 7 3s are 27, 21. 21 7s are 147. So 6 2s are 12, 12 7s are 84. Answer should be just closer to 84 value. What is the answer for this question? 87. Are you all with me? I hope the idea it is clear. Out of 151 numbers, for every 3 numbers, 1 number it is divisible. How many are not divisible? 2. See, what you do is, for your own understanding, you take a set of numbers. 500, 500, 501, 502, 503, 504, 505. For every 3 numbers, one number it is divisible. How many are not divisible? 2 by 3. How many are not divisible? 2 by 3. Similarly, out of every 7 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many are divisible? 1 is divisible. How many are not divisible? Right, 6 are divisible. I hope the idea it is clear. 7 3s are 21, 21 7s are 147, 147 it is 21, 47.1. So 7.1 into 12, 12 ones are 12, 84. Right? So how much it is coming to? Just greater than 85, 87. Are you all with me? All these will be followed. Last set if you see, it is 650, 650, 649, 648, 647, 646, 645, 644. 7 9s are 63, 7 2s are 12. Last set if you see, none of the numbers are divisible. None of the numbers are divisible. But if you see, that is the reason there it is perfectly not divisible. 6 plus 4, 10, it is divisible. Till here it is divisible. Out of here, this is divisible. For every 3 numbers, 2 numbers are not divisible. That is the reason exactly it is not getting divided. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. Which are not divisible means another way to solve, which is a cumbersome way. These are divisible by 3. These are divisible by 7. This is divisible by 21. These are not divisible by 3 and 7. Neither by 3 and 7. Total minus this set plus this set plus this set will give you this set. Total minus these 3 regions, I will get this set. I hope the idea it is clear. So you do like this, it will, anyway answer options are very far from each other. Out of 151 numbers, how you got 151? Highest value minus lowest value plus 1. 151. For every 3 numbers, 2 are not divisible. For every 7 numbers, 6 are not divisible. 21 7s are 147. 12 7s are 84. Answer is just greater than 84. Only option is 8. Let us look at this question number 9. How many numbers are there from 700 to 950? 700 including both. So lowest value is 700, highest value is 950. So total numbers are highest value minus lowest value plus 1. Number of numbers from lowest value to highest value is given by highest value minus lowest value plus 1. 950 minus 700 plus 1. Totally 251 numbers are there. In that 251 numbers, what all we require? Numbers which are neither divisible by 3. Out of 3 numbers, 1 number is divisible. How many are not divisible? 2. Out of 7 numbers, 1 number is divisible. How many are not divisible? 6. 3 7s are 21. 21 1s are 21. 41. 21 1s are 21. 21 9s are 189. So 200 it is there. So answer is 11.9 into 12. 11.9 is closer to 12. 12 12s are 144. How many numbers are there? From 700 to 950, which are neither divisible by 3 nor by 7. Answer for this question is 144. Idea it is clear. Smallest number is 300, highest number is 950. Highest value minus lowest value plus 1. Total 251 numbers are there. In the 251, for every 3 numbers, 1 number it is divisible. How many are not divisible? 2. Out of 7 numbers, 1 number it is divisible. How many are not divisible? 6. 21 ones are 21. 41. 21 ones are 21. 200. 21 nines are 189. 11.9 is closer to 12. 12 12s are 144. 12 12s are 144. Next one. A 5-digit number is there which is 535AB. These number is divisible by 3, 7 and 11. These number is divisible by 3, 7 and 11. What is the value of a square minus b square plus ab? What is the divisibility rule of 3? Divisibility rule of, okay, we will take divisibility rule of 3. 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus a plus b. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Divisibility rule of 3 is sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. So 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus a plus b, it should be divisible by 3. That means a plus b can be 2, 13 plus 2, it is 15, right? Or 13 plus 5, 18, it is divisible. 13 plus 8, 21, it is divisible. 13 plus 11, 24, it is divisible. 13 plus 14, 27, it is divisible. 13 plus 17, it is divisible. A plus b can take 2, a plus b can take 5, a plus b can take 8, 11, 14 and 17. What is the divisibility rule of 7 and 11? Take a group of 3 digits. Start from right hand side. Take a group of 3 digits. Alternatively, plus and minus. 5ab minus 53 should be divisible by 7 and 11. 5ab minus 53, it should be divisible by 7 and 11. Any number which is divisible by 7 and 11 is 77. 77. What is the multiple of 77? Closer to 500. 77 sevens are 77 sevens are 7 sevens are 49. 7 sevens are 49 plus 4, 539. So 5ab will become 539 plus 53. That means it will become 592. 592. That means a value will become 9, b value will become 2. A value 9, b value 2. Divisibility rule of 7 and 11 is start from right hand side. Take a group of 3 digits. Alternatively plus minus. A is 9 and b is 2. 9 square minus 2 square plus 9 into 2. So it is 81 minus 4, 77 plus, it is square root is not there. 77 plus 9 2s are 18. 77 plus 18. Answer for this question is 95. Answer for this question is 95. Only thing which you should know is the divisibility rule of 7 and 11. 7 and 11. In fact, entire doing this process, multiple cases are coming. So it is better to do this process. What is the divisibility rule of 7 and 11? Start from the right hand side. Take a group of 3 digits. Alternatively plus minus. It is 5ab minus 53. 5ab minus 53 should be divisible by 7 and 11. The number which is divisible by 7 and 11 is 77. These 5ab means hundreds place is in 5. What is the multiple of 77 close to 500? 77 sevens are 539. 539 plus 53, it is 592. So A is 9 and B is 2. A 9 and B 2. 9 square minus 2 square plus 9 into 2. 9 square minus 2 square plus 9 into 2. Here it is 9 square minus 2 square plus 9 into 2. 81 minus 4, 77. 77 plus 18, 95. I hope the idea it is clear. If the 6-digit number, there is a 6-digit number 479 XYZ. This number is divisible by 7, 11 and 13. This number is divisible by 7, 11 and 13. If you know a concept, you can solve this problem quickly. What is that concept? Any 3-digit number written even number of times. Any 3-digit number written even number of times. It is always divisible by 7, 11, 13. It is always divisible by 7, 11, 13. Any 3-digit number written even number of times. 479 is already given. That means any 3-digit number written even number of times. It is once and it is twice. That means XYZ is X is 4, Y is 7 and Z is 9. Y plus Z divided by 6. Y is 7, Z is 9, X is 4. 16 by 4 is 4. 16 by 4 is 4. Answer for this question is 4. Any 3-digit number written even number of times, it is always divisible by 4. It is always divisible by 7, 11 and 13. So it is 479. These also will be 479. X is 4, Y is 7 and Z is 9. What do we require? Y plus Z. 7 plus 9, 16. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4. I hope the idea it is very much clear. Next one. What is the value of X such that this 7-digit number is divisible by 99? There is a concept for 99. 84, 39, X 53. This number is divisible by 99. 8439x 53. It is divisible by 99. 99. The divisibility rule of 99 is start from right hand side. Start from right hand side. Take a group of 2 digits. Take a group of 2 digits. Start from right hand side. Take a group of 2 digits. Add them. Take a group of 2 digits and add them. This is the divisibility rule for right 99. Start from right hand side. Take a group of 2 digits and add them. These take 2 digits. These take 2 digits. These take 2 digits. 8 plus 43, 51. 51 plus 53 plus 4x. It should be divisible by, right? It should be divisible by which numbers are 99. Start from right hand side. Take a group of 2 digits. It is 53. Next it is 9x. It is 9x. 9x plus 43 plus 8. 43 plus 8 is 51. 51 plus 53 plus 9x. 51 plus 53. 104 plus 9x. 99 divided by 104 divided by 99. 99 ones are 99. 5. 5 plus 9x should be divisible by 99. X value will be 4. 94 plus 5. 94 plus 5. 99. It is divisible by 99. I hope the idea it is very much clear. 99 divisibility rule is start from right hand side. Take a group of 2 digits and divide it. It is 53. It is 9x. It is 43 plus 8. 8 plus 43, 51. 51 plus 53, 104. 104 plus 9x. If I keep x value 4, 94 plus 104. 94 plus 104, which is 198. 198 is divisible by 99. Or you can further divide 104 divided by 99. 99 ones are 99. Remainder it is 5. 5 plus 9x, it is divisible by 99. X value will be 4. I hope the idea it is clear. Very, very important divisibility rule for 99. A 6-digit number is formed by a 3-digit number written even number 2 times. 347 and 347. 347, 347. A 3-digit number written even number of times. A 3-digit number written even number of times. It is always divisible by 7, 11 and 13. Any 3-digit number written even number of times, it is always divisible by 7, 11 and 13. So 7 into 11 into 13 is 1001. any 3-digit number written even number of times. Any 3-digit number written even number of times is always divisible by 7, 11 and 13. 7 11s are 77, 11 13s are 143. 7 into 11 into 13 is 1001. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one, 7, 11, 13. Start from right hand side, take a group of 3 digits, alternatively add and subtract. Alternatively add and subtract. When 335 is added to 5A7, the resultant is 8B2. The resultant is 8B2. And 8B2, it is divisible by 3. 8B2, it is divisible by 3. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus B, it is divisible by 3. That means B value can be 2, B value can be 5, B value can be 8. B can take any 3 digits as long as 8B2 is divisible by 3. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus B, it is divisible by 3. B value 2, B value 5, B value 8. Now see here. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 means 2, 1 carried. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus A should give you B. 4 plus A should give you B. 4 plus A should give you B. Should give you B. So, what is B value? It can be 2, 5 or 8. It can be 2, 5 or 8. 4 plus A 2 not possible. A value can be 1 or 4. What is the question that he is asking? What is the largest possible value of A? Largest possible value of A is 4. Largest possible value of A is 4. I hope the idea it is clear. 7 plus 5, 12. 2, 1 carried. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus A, it should be divisible by B. So, 8B2, it is divisible by 3. 10 plus B divisible by 3. B value can be 2, 5 or 8. 4 plus positive number, it cannot be 2. 4 plus A, it can be 5 or 8. So, A will be 1 or 4. Largest possible value, A value will be 4. A value will be 4. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one. All are very, very good questions, sir. Next one. Find the largest number which exactly divides a number of the form n cube minus n into n minus 2. N cube minus n into n minus 2. N into n square minus 1 into n minus 2. So this will be n into n minus 1 into n plus 1 into n minus 2. If I write it in order, n minus 2 into n minus 1 into n plus 1. Can I write it numbers like this? N minus 2, n minus 1, n and n plus 1. These are 4 consecutive numbers. Am I right? N minus 2, 1 increase, n minus 1. 1 increase, n. Again 1 increase, n plus 1. Product of 4 consecutive. Product of 4 consecutive numbers. Product of 4 consecutive numbers. It is always divisible by 24. You take any 4 consecutive numbers. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 12 2s are 24. Product of any 4 consecutive, it is divisible by 24. Just writing the number. Or probably what you can do is, you take any natural number for n. N if I take 3. 3 cube minus 3 into 3 minus 2. 3 cube minus 3. 27 minus 3. 24 into 1. Answer is divisible by 24. Answer is divisible by 24. You take any natural number n greater than 2. Or one important key point. Product of 4 consecutive numbers, it is always divisible by 24. Product of any 4 consecutive numbers, it is always divisible by 24. Next one, if the 9-digit number, there is a 9-digit number 97x 4562 y8, it is always divisible by 88. 88 means 88, it is a composite number. That means it is divisible by 8 and 11. It is divisible by 8 and 11. Divisibility rule of 8 is last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. Last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. For last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. First last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. 208, 228, 248, 268 and 288. All these numbers are divisible by 8. 4. I need to make it check whether they are divisible by 8. 8 2s are 16, 8 6s are 48. 8 2s are 16, no. 8 3s are 24, 1. 8 3s are 24, no. 8 3s are 24, yes. That means y can take which all cases? 0, 4 and 8. Y can take 0, 4 and 8. I hope this idea it is clear, right? What is the for the smallest value of y? What is the smallest value of y among 0, 4, 8? It is 0. Y smallest, it is 0. Y smallest, it is 0. Question is 97x4562y8. This should be divisible by 88. For a number to be divisible by 88, it should be divisible by 8 and 11. For a number to be divisible by 8, last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. For it to be divisible by 8, last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. Then I eliminated the cases. Y is 0. If y is 0, then I am checking the divisibility rule of 11. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus x plus 9. So it is 24 plus x. This is sum of odd places. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus x plus 9. Even places. 0 plus 6, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. Minus 17. This should be divisible by 11. Are you all with me? 24 minus 7. 24 minus 17. 7 plus x. 7 plus x should be divisible by 11. That means x will be 4. X will be 4. 7 plus 4, it is 11. X will be 4. I hope the idea it is clear. What is the question? That x and y are natural numbers. So instead of y 0, y smallest will be 4, because he specified that y is a natural number. So instead of, if it is a whole number, it will be 0. If it is y value 4, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus, this is right only, right? 4 will be, this will be 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 14 plus 7, 21. So this will be 21. So this will be 3 plus x. That means x value will be 8. X value will be 8. If y is taking 0, x will be 4. But he specified that y is a natural number. So it cannot be 0, it has to be 4. Question is x square plus y square. 8 square 64, 4 y square 16. 64 plus 16, it is 80. 64 plus 16, it is 80. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. Just a little patiently you have to solve. Do not forget the domains present in the question. Y smallest will be 0, but he specified in the third line that y is a natural number. So y smallest will be 4. Use the divisibility rule of 8. Use the divisibility rule of 11. You will get the divisibility rule of greatest value of x plus y, such that what is the number that is given? Number is 33x 920y. 920y. This is divisible by 15. 15 means it should be divisible by 5 and 3. it should be divisible by 5 and 3. It should be divisible by 5 and 3. Now see here, sir. 3 plus 3, 6 out. 6 plus 9, 15 divisible. So this will be 2 plus x plus y. It is divisible by 3. 2 plus x plus y. It will be divisible by 3. I hope the idea it is clear. Because it is divisible by 5. What is the divisibility rule of 5? Unit digit will be 0 or 5. Unit digit will be 0 or 5. If I take this 0, this can be 2 plus 1 plus 0. If I take this 0, this 2, this will be 4 plus 0. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 divisible by 3. 2 plus 4, 6 divisible by 3. If I take this 0, this will be 2 plus 7. Are you all with me? So, these are the cases for x when y is 0. Similarly, if y is 5, 2 plus 5, 7, x will be 2. If x is 2 and this is 5, 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus this will be 8. Are you all with me? So, this will be 2 plus 5, 7, 9, 12. So, this can be 5. These are all the cases possible for y value 5. These are the cases possible for y value 0. Y should be 0 or 5. The number is divisible by 15. 15 means it will be divisible by 3 and 5. What is the question that he is asking? What is the greatest value of x plus y? X should be maximum 7. Right? X should be, y should be maximum. It is 5. What is 7 plus 5? 12. Here x maximum it is 7. Here y maximum it is 5. 7 plus 5. What will be the answer for this question? 12. So answer for this question is 12. I hope the idea it is very much clear. Very good question. This is the way to solve the question. What is the product of the largest and the smallest values of m for which a number? What is the number, sir? 5, m, 8, 3, m, 4, m, 1. 5, m, 8, 3, 4, m, 1. The number is divisible by 9. Divisible by 9 means sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. 8 plus 1, 9 out. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 3m. It should be divisible by 9. It should be divisible by 9. 12 plus 3m. It should be divisible by 9. What will be m value? What is the product of the smallest and largest? So, 12 plus 3m. If it is 9, we cannot take 18. 3m will be 6. M value 2. Smallest value of m is 2. Next one. This is maximum, it is a single digit number. So, 12 plus 3m. If I take 9 multiples, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45. 45 minus 12 is 33. M is 11. M is a single digit. So, this will be 36. 3m is 24. M value it is 8. Smallest it is 2. Largest it is 8. Product will be 2 8s are 16. Product will be 2 8s are 16. This number is divisible by 9. 8 plus 1 out. 3 plus 4 7. 7 plus 5 12. 12 plus 3m should be divisible by 9. 9 multiples. 9 if I take m will be negative. Not possible. 9 2s are 18. 12 plus 3m 18. M value it is 2. 9 5s are 45. If I take 45, m will be a 2-digit number. Not possible. M is 2, m is 8. Smallest is 2, largest is 8. Product will be 2 8s are 16. Product will be 2 8s are 16. I hope the idea it is very much clear. If the 5-digit number it is divisible by 750 PQ, it is divisible by 3, 7 and 11. What is the divisibility rule of 3, 7 and 9. Start from right hand side. Take a group of 3 digits. Alternatively plus minus. So this will be PQ minus 75. It is divisible by 3, 7 and 11. So PQ has to be 75. 75 minus 75. Then only it is divisible by 3, 7 and 11. So what is the question? Question is P plus 2Q. So 7 plus 2 into 5. 10 plus 7. Answer for this question is 17. Answer for this question is 17. I hope the idea it is very much clear. 750PQ. 750PQ. What is the divisibility rule of 3, 7 and 11? Start from right hand side. Take a group of 3 digits. Alternatively plus minus. PQ minus 75. It is perfectly divisible. 75 minus 75 only divisible. PQ is 75. P is 7 and Q is 5. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 7, 17. Answer for this question is 17. I hope the idea it is clear. If a 4-digit number x67y, it is divisible by 9. It is divisible by 9. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus x plus y, it is divisible by 9. 13 plus x plus y, it is divisible by 9. What is the smallest value of x plus y? 9 multiple just greater than 13 is 18. So, smallest value of x plus y is 5. Smallest value of x plus y is 5. I hope the idea it is very clear. Divisibility rule of 9 is sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus x plus y should be divisible by 9. X plus y it is 5. X plus y it is 5. Answer for this question is 5. Should be smallest. N should be smallest. Which when doubled? This number when I double it, it is exactly divisible by 15, 18, 25 and 32. 15, 18, 25 and 32. What is the number which is divisible by 15, 18, 25 and 32? It is the LCM of these numbers. It is the LCM of these numbers. So, one number it is a multiple of 9. Answer will be divisible by 2. N smallest which when doubled is exactly divisible. Answer when I double it, it should be divisible by right 9. 6400 into 2, 12,800. It is not divisible by 9. 3200 double 6400. It is not divisible by 9. That means option C is out and option D is out. Suppose 3600. When I double it, it becomes 7200. 7200 is it divisible by 32? 32. If I see here, 32, 25 it is divisible, right? 18 it is divisible, 15 it is divisible. 32, please check it out. 7200 divided by 32. 32 2s are 64, 80. 34 2s are 64. Right, 160, 225. Yes, it is divisible. 3600, if I double it, I got 7200, which is the smallest. If I take 7200, double it will become 14,400. 14,400 is largest when compared to 7200. So, answer for this question is option A, which is 3600. Answer is 3600. I hope the idea it is very much clear. Input one number is divisible by 9. Answer also it should be divisible by 9. 22nd. See the 22nd. The difference of two numbers it is 1564. A minus B it is 1564. Okay. After dividing the larger number by the smaller number, A will become 1564 plus B. To B I am adding 1564. That means A is greater than B. To 1564 I am adding something. That means the value of A is greater than B. That means A is largest. A is largest. What will be B? B will be smallest. B will be smallest. Are you all with me? A is largest and B is smallest. After dividing the largest number, if I am dividing A by B, we get 6 as the quotient and 19 as the remainder. And 19 as the remainder. And 19 as the remainder. Dividend is A. Dividend is A. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. A is 6B plus 19. Dividend is divisor into quotient plus remainder. A is 6B plus 19. So if I substitute there, 6B plus 19 is equivalent to 1564 plus B. So 5B is equivalent to 1545. 5B is equivalent to 1545. Are you all with me? Dividend is equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So A is 1564 plus B. Dividend is divisor into quotient plus remainder. A is 6B plus 19. 6B plus 19 is 1564 plus B. So B value will be 5 3s. B is 309. What is the question? Smallest number. Smallest number value is 309. Smallest number value is 309. I hope the idea it is very much clear, right? A is 1564 plus B. This A, when I divide by B, quotient is 6, remainder is 19. Dividend is divisor into quotient plus remainder. So use this, you will get 309. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 2, 3 and 5? 2, 3 and 5. So the number divisible by 2 and 5 should be divisible by 10. Any number divisible by 10, unit digit should be 0. Unit digit should be 0. This is out and it is out. And the number should be divisible by 3. That means sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. 5 plus 4, 9. 7 plus 2, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. It is divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 3. Answer for this question is 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6, 0. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6, 0. Which of the numbers are divisible by 2, 3 and 5? Numbers are divisible by 2 and 5. Unit digit should be 0. Why? Because it is divisible by 10. And the number should be divisible by 3. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. The nearest number which is greater than 87,500 and is perfectly divisible. 765. 765 is 5 15s are 75. 5 3s are. This is 3 5s are. 3 1s are. It is 5 into 3. 51 is 17 into 3. 5 into 9 into 17. 5 into 9 into 17. Answer should be perfectly divisible by 9. Answer should be perfectly divisible by 5. Any number perfectly divisible by 5, unit digit should be 0 or 5. These out. Any number which is perfectly divisible by 9, sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 7, 23. 23 plus 5, 28. It is not divisible by 9. 7, 9 out. 7 plus 7, 14. 22 plus 5, 27. It is divisible. 7 plus 7 plus 7, 21. Plus 13, 34. Not divisible. Answer for this question is 87,975. 87,975. Number is perfectly divisible by 765. What are the factors of 765? 5 15s are, 5 3s are. 3 51s are. 51 is 7 into 3. 5 into 9 into 17. Answer should be perfectly divisible by 9. Sum of the digits should be 9. Answer should be divisible by 5. That means unit digit will be 0 or 5. Unit digit will be 0 or 5. Use the answer option approach. Find the largest number of 3 digits. divisible by 4 and 7. The number which is divisible by 4 and 7 is 28. The largest 3-digit number which is divisible by 28. Largest 3-digit number, it is 999. 999. It should be divisible by 4 and 7. 4 and 7 means last 2 digits should be divisible. Last 2 digits should be divisible. These are all the cases that are possible. 9, or we will go by the answer option. Last 2 digits should be divisible. 970 not divisible by 4. 990 not divisible by 4. Largest 980. 714s are right, 980. It is divisible by 7. Answer options are there. You can directly go ahead or keep on subtracting till you get. It is 988, 984, 980. So 980, it is divisible by 4 and 7. Answer for this question is 980. This is a long process. Use the answer option approach. Answer is divisible by 4. Last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. 970, 990 out. It is divisible by 7. 7 means which option is divisible by 7? I hope the idea it is clear. All the questions are based on the divisibility rules. If the 8-digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, xy, it is divisible by 8. Divisible by 8 means last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. Last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. For this number to be divisible by 8, last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. This can be 600, it is 604, it is 608, it is 612, it is 616, it is 620. Are you all with me? It is 628, it is 632, it is 636, it is 640. First I am checking, right, which all last 2 digits numbers are divisible. 4 tens are, it is 644, it is 648, it is right. Next one, 612, 4 12s are, 4 13s are, 4 14s are, 56, it is 660. Like that cases will come. 6, how much it is? 6, 4 multiple, 4 14s are, 4 15s are, 4 16s are, 4 17s are, 4 18s are, 4 19s are, 4 20s are, 4 21s are, 4 22, 4 23, 4 24. Till 696 I will get it. How many are divisible by 8? 8 7s are 56, 40. 8 5s are 40. It is 600. 8 7s are 56, 44. 8 5s are 40. Not possible. 608. 8 7s are 56, 48. 8 6s are 48. 8 7s are 56, 42. 8 7s are 56, 56. 616. That means 600, 608, 616. Like that. Which cases I will get? It is and so on up to 696. And so on up to 696. Now if you see how many numbers are there? 696 is 600 plus n minus 1 into 8. 96 is n minus 1 into 8. N value will be 13. Totally 13 possible pairs of x and y are possible. For this number to be divisible by 8, last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. For it to be divisible by 8, last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. These are all the cases which are divisible by 4. Right? Then eliminate the cases. 600 divisible by 8. 608. 8 7s are 56. 8 608 divisible. 600, 608, 616 till 696. Tn is a plus n minus 1 into d. 696 is 600 plus n minus 1 into 8. N value will be 13. I hope the idea it is very much clear. Idea will be very much clear and 13 values will be there. Concept clear, right? Another way to look at this question is, now see here, this is 6xy should be divisible by 8. 6xy should be divisible by 8. 600 it is divisible by 8. Next, after 8 numbers, 608 it is divisible. 6 12s are 96. 696 divisible. Lowest number with hundreds place 6 divisible by 8 is 600. After every 8 numbers it is divisible. So 600 to 696. How many numbers we got? 13. Directly single step you can write it instead of doing last 2 digits divisible by 4. I hope the idea it is clear. Smallest last 3 digits divisible by 8 is 6xy. 600 is divisible. Next plus 8. Because if you get a number divisible by 8, if you add 8, again the next number also will be divisible by 8. 600 to 696. Idea clear? Which of the following pair of non-zero values? Be careful, P and Q should take non-zero values such that 674 PQ0, it is divisible by both 3 and 11. Both 3 and 11. Both 3 and 11. 3 and 11 means 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 4, 17. 17 plus P plus Q. 17 plus P plus Q should be divisible by 3 and 11. P plus Q. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 17 divisible by 3. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 17, 26, not divisible. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 17, 23, not divisible. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 17, 21, it is divisible. That means if either option A or option D. If I take option A, 6, 7, 4, 2, 2, 0. Sum of even places, 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 7, 9, minus odd even places minus odd places sum. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 9 minus 12. It is not divisible by 11. It is not divisible by 11. What is the divisibility rule of 11? Sum of odd places minus sum of even places. It is 674. It is 520. Sum of odd places. 7, 0 plus 5. 5 plus 7, 12. Sum of even places. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 12, 0. 12 minus 12, 0. That means this is divisible by 3 and 11. 3 means sum of the digits should be divisible. Right? 11 means sum of odd places minus sum of even places. Sum of odd places minus sum of even places. Find the greatest 5-digit number which is divisible by. The number is divisible by 11, 33, 99, 121. The number is divisible by 11, 33, 99, 121. What is the number that is divisible by all these numbers? LCM. One of the number, digital sum, it is 9. So answer digital sum should be 9. Answer digital sum should be 9. If 9, all the numbers are divisible by 9. One of the number, it is divisible by 11. Answer should be divisible by 11. Answer should be divisible by 11. Sum of the odd places, 27. Not divisible. Sum of the odd places, 18 minus 18. It is not divisible. That means answer is either B or it is C. This is divisible by 10, but input none of the number is divisible by 5 and 2. So it is not possible. So answer for this question is 99099 and 99099. All are odd numbers. LCM of odd numbers is an odd number. Option B, it is an even number. Option B, it is an even number. I hope the idea it is clear. What is the smallest number that should be added to? 4, 5, 6, 7. plus x, it should be divisible by 7. Take a group of 3 digits, alternatively plus minus. 467 minus 4, 463 plus x, it is divisible by 7. Sorry, 563. 563 can be written as 560 plus 3 plus x, it is divisible by 7. This is perfectly divisible by 7. 3 plus x is divisible by 7. X value should be 4. X value should be 4. Divisibility rule of 7 is, start from the rightmost, take a group of 3 digits, alternatively plus minus. 567 minus 4 is 563. 563 plus x, divisible by 7. 563 can be written as 560 plus 3. This is divisible by 7. That means 3 plus x should be divisible by 7. X value should be 4. X value should be 4. Idea clear, sir? If you know the divisibility rule of 7, this process will be very much easy. If the 9-digit number is divisible by 72, what is the number? 83p 936 78q. This is divisible by 72. 72 can be written as 9 into 8. 9 into 8. 8 divisibility rule is, last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. 8 9s are 72. So this is 784. 8 9s are 72. 8 8s are 64. Q is 4 we got. 83p 936 784. It is divisible by 9. 9 means 9 out, these also out. 4 plus 8 12, 12 plus 7 19, 19 plus 8 27, 3 plus p, it should be divisible by 9. P value it is 6. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. P value 6. P value is 6. Q value it is 4. So this will be 6 square plus 4 square plus 12. 36 plus 28. Root of 64, which is 8. Answer for this question is option C, which is 8. This is a 9-digit number. It should be divisible by 72. 72 is 9 into 8. For a number to be divisible by 8, last 3 digits should be divisible. 8 9s are 72, 64. So Q value it is 4. Sum should be divisible. For sum to be divisible, I deleted the digits whose sum is 9. 3 plus P is divisible by 9. P is 6. So answer is root of 6 square plus 4 square plus 12. 36 plus 16 plus 12, root of 64. It is 8. Total 30 problems we did it. Each and every problem cover a beautiful concept. Almost every question we discussed is of previous year questions. 30